Good morning, you guys. I am back with another video. Finally, I have another what I eat in a day for you guys. I know it's been a while, but I have a ton of new plans for this channel. Very excited. I hope you guys are too. So this morning I had to take my dog to daycare, so I walked him there first thing in the morning. I drank a ton of water before, and then on my way back I picked up some groceries, and then I picked up a coffee just from Felix. How cute is this cup, by the way? So I picked up a large black coffee, and then I took it home and added my own oat milk because I don't like to buy the original Oatly because it has canola oil in it. So I always buy the low-fat version just because it doesn't. So I'm gonna chill for a little, sip my coffee, go over my plan for the rest of the day, and then I'll take you guys along with what I'm eating. I finished my coffee while I was getting ready, and now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna have these little egg muffin bites. I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. They're really good, and I love them because they're just so easy. Keep them in the fridge and then have them when you're on the go or you don't feel like making a proper breakfast. So the egg bites are cooking, but I'm super hungry, so I think I'm gonna make this bone broth. I am obsessed with bone broth lately. It's so good for you, so good for your skin. It's like a natural collagen, and it's also very good for digestion. This is the one I get. It's a really good price. I think it's like $5. Also, so important to get organic bone broth. It's gonna have more nutrients and just be better quality in general. I decided I'm gonna have some yogurt along with my egg bites. So I'm gonna have this one. It's the Wallaby Organic, no sugar added. And it's vanilla flavored, and usually I would not buy flavored yogurt because they're artificially sweetened a lot of the time. So it's sweetened with organic pear and apple. So, and it's really, really good. It literally tastes like a dessert. So here's my breakfast: 2 little egg muffins, some yogurt. Gonna take my supplements, finish my coffee, and water. This is my second time making these, and I think I made them a bit better this time. Make sure you add enough salt because I didn't last time, and they taste just so good. And now I'm gonna have my yogurt. I also added chia seeds and blueberries to it. I like to add the chia seeds in and mix them in and give them like a minute to soak in the yogurt, just so they are easier to digest. Okay, so it's a little bit after breakfast and I was craving a little caffeine, a little matcha, so I'm gonna make this Vital Proteins matcha. I love having collagen every day. It's so good for your skin, for your nails, hair growth, everything like that. So just while I'm drinking my matcha, I wanted to sit down and chat and kind of catch up with you guys because it has been a minute, but I've been keeping busy and I've actually been studying to become a certified nutritional practitioner, which is basically a holistic nutritionist, and I'm going to be taking clients soon, so I'm super excited about that and I will keep you guys updated on everything. But yeah, I'm studying through a Canadian school. I'm about halfway done and I have just been loving it. I have learned so much. I was always very interested in health and wellness, but now having this extra background knowledge, I'm really excited to share more of that with this platform. So I am definitely taking this YouTube channel probably more in a route of health and wellness, food videos, but I think you guys seem to like them, so let me know. My main focuses as a nutritionist are going to be gut health, women's hormones, kind of women's health in general, and supplementing. So I'm super excited to get started, share some really good meal ideas with you, and some more nutritional insight. First, gonna cook up these organic chicken thighs. And then I've already mixed these together for the seasoning. The chicken thighs are all seasoned, then I'm just gonna put them into the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. I am also gonna roast some sweet potatoes for the salad, so I'm just gonna throw these in the oven as well. I'm gonna add a bit of Parmesan to the salad as well, just because I have some left and I want to use it. I'm also going to add a few pumpkin seeds. I'm obsessed with pumpkin seeds. They are so high in protein as well. 8 grams of protein per serving. I'm gonna have a spoonful of this sauerkraut. So this one is a turmeric sauerkraut. It's organic. I love that it's in a glass jar. This is key to look for if you're going to buy sauerkraut. So I try and eat sauerkraut every day because it's a natural probiotic. So I kind of do this instead of taking an actual probiotic. And this is a bonus because it has turmeric in it. This turned out really good. All done. Turned out so good. I think the dressing, I would maybe add something sweet, like a little bit of honey or maple syrup. It kind of reminded me of a Caesar dressing, but with the taste of tahini. So if you like tahini, I would recommend. So I've just been relaxing kind of after lunch, and then tonight I'm actually going over to a friend's. We're gonna have a little cooking night, so that'll be really nice. I'll bring you guys along. But I was thinking right now I might make a little healthy dessert that I can bring over. So I think I'm gonna make these little healthy cookie dough bites. So this recipe is actually pretty simple. These are pretty much all the ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of almond flour. I'm using coconut sugar. I wanted to use monk fruit, but I was just at Trader Joe's, so they only had coconut sugar, but it's also a good option. Just 1/4 cup. Add that in. I love these chocolate chips. They're from Lakanto and they're sweetened with monk fruit. So I like monk fruit because it doesn't spike your blood sugar and it's natural, it's from a fruit. So I'm gonna add a bunch of these. So I put the dough in the freezer just for 10 minutes so it's a bit easier to roll. So the little cookie ball doughs are done. I'm just gonna put these in the freezer for 1 hour. All right, so it's been about an hour. So I'm going to melt the rest of the chocolate and then coat the little cookie dough balls. Chocolate all over me. I can't wait to try it, so I'm gonna have one now. Oh my god. These are so good.
It's so beautiful.
Hi. Hi, girls. Esty, what's in it?
This is kale with quinoa, fresh dill, cranberries, feta, and almonds.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells so good. Ooh. Salt as well, or not?
Yeah, on top.
Okay. Wow.